In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Dashlane account if you've decided that Dashlane is no longer the right fit for you. Whether it's due to switching to a different password manager or simply wanting to declutter your digital accounts, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth account deletion. First, let's start by navigating to the right web page. Open your preferred browser and head to Google and type in Dashlane account deletion page. This search should direct you to the specific page where you can begin the process of account deletion. Doing it this way ensures you're accessing the most current and secure link directly from Dashlane's resources. Once you've found the correct link in the search results, give it a click. This will bring you to Dashlane's website where you'll find detailed instructions and options regarding account management, including deletion. It's always a good idea to double check that you are on the official Dashlane site to protect your information, as there are various phishing sites out there. As you land on the page, scroll down until you spot the section titled Delete Your Dashlane Account. This section contains crucial information about what account deletion entails, such as losing access to your passwords and data permanently. Dashlane usually provides a brief waiting period allowing you to recover your account if you change your mind, but after the final confirmation, it cannot be reversed. At this step, you will then see a prompt to visit the account deletion page. Click the link provided here to proceed further. This is an important stage since Dashlane wants to ensure that you genuinely wish to close your account, and it also guides you through the final measures to protect your security and privacy. Now, you've reached the critical moment where your Dashlane account can be deleted. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Dashlane account. This ensures that Dashlane can verify your identity so they know it's truly you behind the request. After entering your email, you'll need to enter a provided security code. This added layer of security prevents unauthorized users from deleting your account without your consent. Double check all the information you've entered is correct, then hit Delete My Account. Once you've taken this action, your Dashlane account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember, this will permanently remove all of your saved data in Dashlane, so make sure you have any necessary backups or data exports completed before you proceed. And that's it. Successfully following these steps will ensure your Dashlane account is deleted safely and securely. If you have any questions or need further assistance, checking Dashlane's customer support resources can be very helpful. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful.